19th problem. 3 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. 2 by x plus y plus 3 by x minus y is equal to 11 by 3. This is equation 2. Two simultaneous equations they have given. Two simultaneous linear equations they have given. We are going to bring out in a shape, linear shape. I am thinking let 1 by x plus y as a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. So 3 into 1 by, so 3a plus 2b is equal to 3. 2 into a, because x plus y, 2a plus 3b, 3 into 1 by 3b is equal to 11 by 3. Write two times this simultaneous equations. One time you add, one time you subtract. Whenever you see coefficients like this interchanging, here 3 coefficient came to b coefficient and coefficient of b came to coefficient of a. When they interchange like this, follow this method. Already you know this one. One time you add, one time you subtract. So when first time you are adding, 3 plus 2 is 5a plus, both are same sense, we are keeping plus, 2 plus 3 is 5b is equal to 3 plus 11 by 3. 5a plus 5b is equal to 3 is LCM. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 11 by 3. 5a plus 5b is equal to 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 by 3. Now in numerator 5 table is common. When common table is there throughout the equation, not one side, left side, throughout the equation, you can cancel. 5 goes one time, 5 goes one time, 5 4s are 20. Again by 3 as 3 as it is. In denominator we are not in, because here denominator 1 is there, nothing. Now think this as equation 3. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now simultaneously we are subtracting. Here we added, now subtracting. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1a. If you write 1 or not writing also no problem. Plus 2 minus 3 minus b. Because minus is more opposite signs, we are subtracting minus b is equal to 3 minus 11 by 3. 3 is LCM. 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 11 by 3. So a minus b is equal to minus 2 by 3. 11 minus 9 minus 11 is minus 2 and denominator 3. This is equation 3. This is equation 4. Now again adding equation 3 and 4. Why we are adding means here plus b is there, here minus b is there. So add equation 3 and 4. Write that word. Adding equation 3 and 4. Plus b minus b get cancelled. A plus a is 2a. 2a is equal to 4 by 3. We are adding now. So plus of minus 2 by 3. Plus of. So 2a is equal to 4 by 3 plus into minus. Minus 2 by 3. 2a is equal to here like fractions. So same 3 is the LCM. And 4 minus 2. 2a is equal to 4 minus 2 means 2. 2 by 3. We want to find the value of a. What is the meaning of 2a? 2 into. Into becomes division. So a is equal to 2 by 3 into 2. This 2 goes into one time. So a is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Substituting a is equal to minus 1 by 3 in equation 3. So a is equal to 1 by 3, not 1 by 3, 1 by 3 in equation 1. Now 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 4 by 3. b is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. b is equal to 3 is LCM. 4 minus 1. b is equal to 3 by 3. 3 goes in 3 one time, b is equal to 1. Now we got the values of a as 1 by 3 and b is equal to 1. What we thought a as 1 by x plus 5 and what we thought b 1 by x minus y. Again come back to that one. Replace. Now numerator is equal to numerator, denominator automatic will be equal to denominator. That is the meaning of is equal to. Equal fractions. Here also numerator 1 by 1. 1 means 1 by 1. 1 is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. Now x plus y is equal to 3. X minus y is equal to 1. Equation 5, equation 6. Now adding equation 5 and 6. Add, both get cancelled. X plus x, 2x. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. 2 goes in 4 2 times. X is equal to 2. Substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 5. X plus y is equal to 3. 2 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, the values of x is 2 and y is equal to 1. 20 problem. 22 by x plus y plus 15 by x minus y is equal to 5. Equation number 1. 55 by x plus y plus 40 by x minus y is equal to 13. This is equation number 2. Let a is equal to 1 by x plus y and b is equal to 1 by x minus y. So 22a plus 15b is equal to 5. 22a plus 15b is equal to 5. This is equation 3. 55a plus 40b is equal to 13. 55a plus 40b is equal to 13. Equation number 4. I want to eliminate b. Here a common table is there. That's why we can take LCM. For 50 and 40, 5 table is common. 5 goes 3 times, 5 goes 8 times. So what is the LCM is 120. 15 is there. 5 3s are 15. Remaining is what? 8. Bring that 8 and multiply the whole third equation. 40 is here. 5 8s are 40. What is remaining? 3. Bring that 3 and multiply whole fourth equation. When you are multiplying with 8, 22 8s are 176. 15 8s are 120b. 5 8s are 40. Next, with the 3 are multiplying. 55 into 3 is 165. A is there, right? A plus 43s are 120b is equal to 13 3s are 39. Now here b, same signs are there. So we are going to subtract. Same signs means we have to subtract. Opposite signs means add. The second equation sign changes. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. From 176, if you subtract 165, 11 will come. So 11a plus 120 minus 120 get cancelled. 0. 40 minus 39 is 1. A value 11a, 11 into a is equal to 1 by 11. Substituting a is equal to 1 by 11 in equation 1. What is equation? This is equation not 1, this is equation 3. What is equation 3? Not 1, that is 3. Third equation we are taking. 22a plus 15b is equal to 3. In the place of a, substitute 11, 1 by 11. 11 goes in 22 2 times. So 2 plus 15b is equal to 5. 15b is equal to plus 2 goes that side minus. So 15b is equal to 3. b is equal to 3 by 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. b is equal to 1 by 5. Now we got the values of a and b. A is 1 by 11 and b is equal to 1 by 5. What we thought as a? 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. And what we thought as b? 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. Numerator is equal to numerator, denominator is equal to. So x plus y is equal to 11. Here also numerator is equal to numerator, denominator is equal to denominator. So x minus y is equal to 5. Think this as equation 5 and this as equation 6. Now add both plus and minus cancels. 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 by 2. 2 goes in 16 8 times. So x is equal to 8. Substituting x is equal to 8 in equation 5. Fifth equation I am taking. X plus y is equal to 11. 8 plus y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11 plus goes that side minus 8. So y is equal to 3. Therefore, we got the values x as 8 and y is equal to 3. 21st problem. 103x plus 51y is equal to 617. 97x plus 49y is equal to 583. Write 2 times. One time in a problem itself they gave hint. First time add, next time subtract. Add 103 plus 97 is 200x. 51 plus 49 is 100y is equal to, if you add 7 plus 3 10, here 1, 8, 9, 10, again 0, 1, 6 plus 5 11, here 12, so 1200. On the whole 100 table is common. 100 goes 2 times, 100 goes 1 time, 100 goes 12 times. So 2x plus y is equal to 12. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancel. Next, coming to subtract. The second equation sign changes. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. 103 minus 97 is 6x. From 51, if you subtract 49 plus 2y, because plus is more. From 617, this is 17. From 7, if you subtract 3, 4, you can't subtract from 1, so borrow. 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. Here also cancel 2 table. 2 table is common. 2 goes 3 times, 2 goes 1 time, 2 goes 17 times. So 3x plus y is equal to 17. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now here same signs. We can't add. So subtract. The second equation sign changes. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Both get cancelled. 2x minus 3x is minus x is equal to 12 minus 17. So minus 5 comes. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 5. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x plus y is equal to 12. 2 into 5 plus y is equal to 12. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 minus 10. So y is equal to 2. Therefore the values x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2.